I'm just so happy right now kasi itong si King, ikakasal siya. Tapos kinuha kaming ninong. Edad lang kami nito, pero brother, maraming salamat. It's an honor.
Yes.
It's a pleasure
Thank
na
you,
kunin kami ninong na hopefully makatulong kami sa journey mo as a married couple, kayo na mag-asawa. Dinalhan niya kami guys ng cake tsaka wine. Thank you dito. We really appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Ngayon guys, he's going back to the Philippines kasi kakasal siya. Kaya kami dito ngayon, aside sa, sa mga regalo niya, tsaka sa good news, we're also guiding him about sa OEC. Yung OEC na yan guys is an Overseas Employment Certificate na if you are a foreign worker, it's important na pagpabalik ka dito sa Canada, papakita mo sa immigration sa Philippines. So we're making sure na makakabalik siya dito. And I want to advise everybody na if you're going back to the Philippines anytime soon, if you're an overseas Filipino worker or TFW dito sa Canada, make sure guys na verified lahat ng documents nyo by Department of Migrant Workers. Maraming salamat dito. Okay na rin yung mga papers niya sa work permit extension. And brother, maraming salamat. Thank you sa pag-invite mo sa amin Ninong. Akong bahala sa lechon mo. Ilang lechong manok ba kailangan mo?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yun guys, maraming salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.